In this guide, I will be showing you guys two easy ways to transfer contacts from one iPhone to another. First, you can use iCloud Sync. To do that, launch your old phone, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID. Now, click on the option iCloud, scroll down and enable contacts. Wait for syncing to finish. Then go to your new iPhone, sign in with the same Apple ID, go to iCloud Settings, turn on contacts, and within a few minutes, all your contacts will appear automatically. Next up, you can transfer using the Contacts app. Launch your Contacts app. Now click on the option of List. Click on the option Add List. Now create a new contact list. Add the contacts you want to share to that list. After you do that, you can head back. Now hold the list you created, select Export and send it through AirDrop, Messages, Mail or another app. On the new iPhone, simply open the file and tap Add All Contacts. Finally, you can use AirDrop if both iPhones are nearby. And that's it. These are the ways to transfer contacts from one iPhone to another. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.